Hey guys, Kurt here, DIY 4x. Quick video today about a new option for our adjustable bump stops. We've taken the weld-on adjustable bump stop and given you an option for a bolt-on for those of you that don't want to weld on your frame, don't have welding capabilities in your garage. This will work for you. So just a second here, we'll give you a close-up on it, some more of the details. Okay, this is the bolt-on version of the adjustable bump stop. We got some nice backer plates here to go inside your frame rail. Basically, we've taken the weld-on piece and put a bolting flange on it for you. You know, when you put these on your frame, of course, you're going to want to get this as close as you can to where you need it to be, so you don't have to adjust too far. This is 2.5 inches square right here, so when you're selecting your bump stop, whether it be Energy Suspension bump stop or Timbren or somebody like that, you know, you want to get something around that size. You don't want to get something too big. But this is kind of how it goes together on your truck, just like so. Everything you see here in the one kit. So good grade 8 hardware. Should take care of you. That's it, guys. That's the bolt-on adjustable bump stop mount. Check us out on our website. It's DIY4by.com. Like us, link us, tweet us, subscribe. Got any questions or whatever, use the comment section down below. Talk to you later.